friends, welcome to Science Scoop with Inshra. Friends, today I'm here with a new and most informative video. The king of the bird, who is flying high in the sky and living up on the highest mountains. Yes, it's eagle. Facts of eagle. Fact number 1. Sharp vision. Eagles have incredible eyesight, 4 to 8 stronger than human. Strength and vision. Eagles are formidable hunters with powerful talons. Sharp talons. Eagle talons are strong, curved, and deadly. Agility and speed. Eagles soar at 30 to 40 mph divided up to 240 mph. Intelligent. Highly intelligent bird is eagle. Freedom and independence. Eagles symbolize liberty and autonomy. Loyal. Eagles from long-term monogamous religions. Protective. Eagles fiercely guard their territory and young. Adaptability. Eagles thrive in diverse environment. Majestic appearance. Eagle majestic wingspan inspire way. Thanks for watching. Bye. The end. If you like this video, like and subscribe to motivate me.